Conventional panpots rely only on the amplitude difference between the left and right channels. But over headphones, this often sounds unnatural, especially with hard pan sounds that feel stuck inside the ear canal. Since most people listen to music on headphones today, making your mix sound natural on headphones is more important than ever. DUOPAN is designed exactly for that. It uses a combination of time and amplitude cues based on my psychoacoustic model, giving you a more natural, binaural-like stereo image over headphones, while also providing a more spacious image over speakers. Here's how conventional panpot sounds. And with DUOPAN,